Welcome to the Philippine Cancer Society. Let's fight cancer. The Philippine Cancer Society is a private, non-stock, non-profit corporation registered with the Securities and Exchange Commission on December 22, 1956. It was founded by a group of laymen and medical doctors with the aim of helping the Filipino cope with cancer by preventing it and diminishing death caused by it, especially among the disadvantaged through information, education, advocacy, and focused services. PCS began its partnership with the Department of Health in 1975 through Presidential Proclamation 1348, starting with joint nationwide cancer consciousness campaign, which continues on to this day. PCS supporting a better life. Stay healthy advocacy, healthy life. UC Kadiri campaigns in schools. Primary prevention of cancer like Hep B vaccination advocacy, together with the Philippine Society of Hepatology. PCS has social media presence, tweeting cancer awareness campaign. And Facebook, where people can talk with PCS virtually. What can we help you with? PCS educates via 360 degrees multimedia presence. PCS joins the world for Relay for Life, culminating in luminaria ceremonies, lighting lights beyond this life. Relay for Life events. Every year, we relay for life. PCS brings cancer screening to the community via its mobile clinic, going from one city, town, barangay to the next. PCS brings mobile clinics, and in there, always teaching, caring, smiling after a day's work. PCS has a patient navigation program navigating the cancer patient through the Society's web of medical assistance resources. The Philippines Patient Navigation Program was initiated by the former PCS President Dr. Clipper Lorenzo, and now it is a bus strategy across the hospital of the country. PCS Navigated Patient, Consortia Ramos, said, "Napakalaki ng tulong sa akin ng Philippine Cancer Society. Nakapagwala ng depression at tension ko na baka kumalat pa ang cancer. Iba ang pakiramdam na may tumutulong sa akin." Likewise, Rolfo Bisedo said, "Napakasaya naming mag-asawa at merong nakatulong sa amin sa panahong ito." PCS networks with all the support groups in the country, sharing, coping through the Philippine Cancer Society Forum. Patients sharing. From Cynthia, "I am a cancer survivor." From Gifford, "My son has Hodgkin's. He made me strong." From Elena, "My mom, my anchor." From Tarsing, there is life with and after cancer. Oncologists also shared as they themselves coped in the midst of their patients, from Dr. Noel Pingoy, Mr. Basilio, the sunlight and the birds, Mrs. Santiago, and the alamandas in the morning. Reflections in Oncology is a PCS booklet wherein the doctors put into poems and essays debriefing while they fight cancer with their patients, reflecting on empathy, illness, healing in Filipino translated from English poems. Safe. Coping with oncology through poetry. At wit's end. Quality management in cancer control and care. Fighting, even though true, just a bandana ceremony. Fighting alongside others, as in Avon, I share the fight against breast cancer yearly movement. Hospice care was started in the Philippines October 1991 through the initiative of then Philippine Cancer Society President Dr. Mita Pardo de Tavera. And now the hospice movement blooms. CURE is the vision for all cancer control advocates, and PCS rallies so in collaboration with medics in its referral hospitals. PCS shares knowledge gained in the fight against cancer. PCS contributes cancer registry data to the world's Globocan, partnering with WHO, IARC, and DOH. Sharing Philippine cancer data with the world across the years. Pioneered by Dr. Max Parkin of WHO IARC and Drs. Adriano Laudico and Divina Esteban of Philippine Cancer Society. PCS registry data has been judged high quality by WHO IARC. Scientific meetings, summits, and conferences, trainings are participated and led by PCS, joining other oncology societies locally and internationally, going for treatment goals, cure, control, and comfort. Providing evidence-based cancer information. Crafting primary, secondary, tertiary cancer prevention guidelines, disseminating this via lectures. Espousing multidisciplinary team approach to cancer management, networking with the various Philippine oncology societies. Philippine Cancer Society joins the community in the fight against cancer, holding the patient's hand to come for wellness checks, cancer screening, early treatment. Health is wealth. Tayo na sa center. PCS reaches out to partner funding agencies in the fight against cancer. PCS was the first civic society to navigate the cancer patient to agencies providing patient support, there is strength in numbers. The Best Dressed Women of the Philippines, led by Council Helen Ong, has been the patron of the Philippines of the Philippines Cancer Society, providing funds for the benefit of the Filipino cancer patient.
What do you see? What does C mean to you? For many years, the big C has always meant cancer. So for the last 16 years, the Philippine Cancer Society and the awardees of the Best Dressed Women of the Philippines has made the fight against the big C easy and given the big C other meanings. C is for care. The Philippine Cancer Society keeps the public well informed by giving out communication materials, flyers, and posters to schools, communities, and workplaces. Our doctors educate the public in ways to prevent cancer of several types. And we coordinate with institutions to take care of our patients' medical, psychosocial, and financial needs. Our founding chairperson for the Best Dressed Organizing and Selection Committee, Consul Helen Ong, has facilitated the donation of coasters for the mobile clinic project of the Philippine Cancer Society. C is for cure. We conduct free screening for breast, cervical, prostate, and colorectal cancers, hoping to detect them early. We offer free consultations and advice for our less fortunate patients. We also give free mammograms, biopsies, and assistance for chemotherapy needs. C is for compassion. We guide cancer patients through the most difficult stages of their lives through our patient navigation program. We built a cancer patients lounge where kids with cancer can learn and play, and where adults meet to share experiences. It is a safe haven for life towards survival or the inevitable. See how you can help. Donate to the PCS and see that smile. Be one with our dedicated volunteers on this project and help the PCS and the best dressed women of the Philippines conquer the big C.